Okay, a little vulnerable post here, but is anyone in their mid 30s not desiring to date? Like, I've been single for a couple of years now, and I actually stopped dating in the past year because I realized how content and at peace I feel when I'm not talking to men. And I don't mean that in any like bad or condescending way, but I truly just have no desire to get to know another person. I know this is a phase and I will cycle out of it someday, but this is the phase of my life where I don't know how a partner can make my life better. Because I can take care of myself. I'm financially independent. I have a great job. I can travel anywhere in the world. I have very fulfilling relationships with my friends. I feel really satisfied with all of that. And I just don't see how a partner can fit into all of this. And maybe it's because I haven't found the right person, because I know, people say that when you find the right person, things change and your energy changes and what you want could change as well. So maybe I'm just speaking from a place of being chronically single, but I want to know, if you were single for a long time and if now you're in a relationship, what changed for you? Because I'm genuinely curious and wanting to like open a conversation about this. But there's also a part of me that feels like I should be dating, because like there's this voice in my head saying that I'm in my prime, right? I'm in my 30s, and that I should take the time to date, because what if I get into my 40s and I look back at this time and I regret not dating? I don't know. I've just been so deep in my healing journey and giving myself all the things that I used to find externally. And now that I'm in this space, I don't want to date. And what's interesting is I went on the healing journey thinking that, I wanted to heal all these relationship issues so that I could date better. And now that I feel more confident within myself, I'm not doing that. So I don't know. Am I sabotaging myself? Am I contradicting myself? I don't know how to feel about all of this. I'm just really curious to see where everyone is. And if anyone else feels the same way as me, like all the women in their 30s, please comment below and tell me if you resonate with this, because I want to connect with people that are feeling the same way. And just to be clear, I don't hate men. Okay, like I don't at all. I still have like crushes here and there, but I'm just like not taking the time to get to know another person. And how I knew that I needed to take a step back from dating was because when I was like forcing myself to date, there would be like a lot of men that would ask me out on a date, or like genuinely being nice and trying to get to know me, and I would just ghost them, and I would just like not reply to their messages. And I was aware in that moment that that wasn't fair to them, right? So like I was being very emotionally unavailable, and I could see that these men were genuinely nice and they were trying to make time for me and to ask me out, but I would just be like very not excited about it, And so that's when I was like, okay, this is not fair to myself, and it's also not fair to the men that is actually genuinely trying. Like, I'm not in the headspace to date, and I'm gonna be okay with it. But again, like I said, there's a voice in my head that's like, you're gonna be in your mid 40s and you're gonna look back at this time and you're gonna regret not dating because you're young and you're in your 30s and you're, like in your prime. Like, why not? But also, I just can't force myself to date because I'm like just genuinely not having a good time having conversation with all these men out there, because I just feel like the type of conversations that I'm having with my friends are so deep and like soul shifting that I crave that, I think, also with a man, but I haven't been able to find somebody to hold those type of conversations, like not even my exes, honestly. Like now that I look back, I'm like, never really had an interesting conversation with anybody, like anybody that I've been romantically involved with. Maybe like one or two dates that I've had in the past year. I can think of one person that I had like a genuinely good time with, but again, there was no romantic chemistry. It's like I met him and he immediately got friend zoned, but I had a wonderful conversation with him, So it's like, can I really have it all? Am I just being picky? Am I sabotaging myself? I don't know. Tell me how you guys feel about this in the comments below. I would love to hear from you.